All right, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to delete your account in ChatGPT. Okay, so actually, you need to just actually follow a few steps to make this possible. So just stick with me on this to the end. So if you notice, when you go over to if you're currently logged in, because you need to be logged in, as you can see here, I am logged in on my account, and there is no way I can actually go ahead to try to delete the account. Everything, the only thing I can do here is just chat and send my request to the bot and get my answers. So if you actually want to delete your account, you need to go to this website. I'm just going to put that in the description down below. Okay, this is the website. So from here, if you are logged in here, this one is going to be automatically logged in already because you're on the same browser. So all you need to do now is just to go ahead and click on this place that says help. Okay, once you go there, you can see your account is logged in, and all you need to do is to click here that says send us a message. Okay, so you have to go over here that says account deletion, and you click it and wait for a feedback. Okay, so they are gonna ask you, would you like to delete your account? And you should take note of this right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click delete my account. If you actually have the intentions to delete your account, go ahead and click on delete my account. So once I click delete my account, they're like, are you sure you would like to delete your account? Once confirm deletion, you will be able to stop the deletion process. I'm just going to go ahead and say yes, delete my account. I don't know the reason why you would want to delete your account on ChatGPT, but if you find yourself in this kind of situation, this is how to go about it. Okay, and it says we're sorry to see you go, and we have begun deletion process, and we'll update you on in this email thread upon completion. Please note this will take 1 to 2 weeks for your completion request to be fully completed, and that's everything you need to know about this. So once you've gotten to this point, just wait for 1 to 2 weeks before your account will get deleted. If you find this video helpful, go ahead, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, support the channel, drop a comment in the comment section, tell me why the reason why you want to delete your account, and have a nice day, guys. Peace out. See you guys in the next one.